Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the AI tools Netflix utilizes. Research Netflix's open source projects and technologies. Familiarize yourself with the concepts and frameworks relevant to AI. Identify the specific AI tool or service you want to deploy. Gather the necessary resources, including datasets and software dependencies. Set up your development environment. Ensure that you have the required programming languages installed, such as Python or Java. Download and install any relevant libraries or frameworks. Next, clone the repository of the chosen AI tool from GitHub. Read through the documentation provided for the specific tool. Pay particular attention to installation instructions and any prerequisites. Prepare your dataset according to the specifications mentioned in the documentation. This may involve cleaning and formatting the data appropriately. Proceed to configure the necessary settings for the AI tool. Utilize configuration files to set parameters such as hyperparameters and model settings. After configuration, begin the deployment process. Follow the instructions to run the initial training cycle for your AI model. Monitor the training process for any errors or anomalies. Once training is complete, evaluate the model's performance. Use metrics provided in the documentation to assess accuracy and efficiency. If results are unsatisfactory, consider adjusting hyperparameters or adding more data. Repeat the training process as needed to improve output. After achieving desired performance, prepare the model for production deployment. Export the model in the format required for integration into your applications. Integrate the deployed AI tool with your existing systems or services. Conduct thorough testing to ensure everything functions smoothly. Gather feedback from users and make necessary adjustments to enhance usability. Finally, document the deployment process for future reference and scalability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.